Hi everyone, we're the CapitalNet TV and this is the Capital Calls, your weekly news update. This feature is presented in collaboration with the Indian Private Equity and Venture Capital Association. First up, investments in India. Vertical SaaS startup CapitalCalls secures funds to help education institutions transform digital. Bengaluru-based vertical SaaS platform CapitalCalls that caters to premier educational institutions has raised 16 crores from prime venture partners. Focusing on catering to 8K premier educational institution, CapitalCalls has so far partnered with over 40 educational institutions with more than 100K users and is planning to add 300 more institutions with over 500,000 users by the end of 2022. Enterprise conversational AI startup Yellowai raises $78 million. Customer experience automation platform Yellowai, formerly known as Yellow Messenger, has raised $78.15 million in Series C round led by Westbridge Capital, along with Sapphire Ventures and Salesforce Ventures. The Soul Store raised $10 million, looks to expand manufacturing retail base. Mumbai-based D2C casual wear brand, The Soul Store, has raised 75 crores, which is approximately $10 million in Series B funding round led by Elevation Capital. Angel investors including Delivery co-founder Sahil Barua, Zalora CEO Gunjan Soni, Mosaic Wellness co-founder Revan Bhate, among others, also participated in this round. Eco-friendly shoe brand Neiman raises a round of funding for expansion and R&D. D2C eco-friendly shoe brand Neiman has raised 20 crores, which is approximately $2.7 million in a Series A funding round from 6 Sense Ventures. This funding comes after the startup had raised $1 million in seed funding round led by Aniket Ventures in March of 2020. Vernacular audio platform Covery raises $2.1 million led by Liquid 2 Ventures. Regional language audio content platform Covery has raised $2.1 million in a pre-Series A funding round led by Liquid 2 Ventures, Pioneer Fund and Rebel Fund. Angel investors such as Runway co-founder Siki Chen, former Google India MD Sailesh Rao, Goody co-founder Edward Lando also participated in this round. Social investing platform StockGo raises $5 million from Root Ventures, Velo Partners. Social investing and gaming platform StockGo has raised around $5 million in a pre-Series A round of funding led by Roots Ventures and Velo Partners. Founded in 2020 by former VC Ajay Lakhotia, StockGo has a gamified virtual interface that enables users to discover trading strategies, compete and interact with others. Bharatpay enters Unicorn Club, raises $370 million at a $2.85 billion valuation. New Delhi-based merchant payments and financial service provider Bharatpay is the latest entrant to the coveted Unicorn Club in India after it bagged $370 million in Series E equity round led by Tiger Global at a valuation of $2.85 billion. Dragoneer Investment Group and Steadfast Capital have also come on board as new investors. Inframarket valued at $2.5 billion after $125 million Series D round led by Tiger Global. Construction-focused marketplace Inframarket has raised $125 million in a Series D round led by Tiger Global. The latest funding round values the company at $2.5 billion, a significant jump compared to the $1 billion valuation it reached in its Series C fundraise in February of 2020. Moving on to mergers and acquisitions, health tech startup Meadow acquires digital prescription platform DocSpur. Digital outpatient care platform Meadow has announced the acquisition of digital prescription platform DocSpur in a cash and a stock deal. DocSpur is a digital pen and encoded paper-based clinical documentation system that is powered by cloud computing, AI and machine learning. That's it from the Capital Calls India. Tune in next week for more such weekly updates.